ages away.
Anybody bring any fruit today?
They really, yeah. And when they migrate up and down the east coast of Australia. We have 4 species here, so there's about 60 species around the world, and we have 4 species on the mainland here in Australia. We get 3 here in southeast Queensland. So the black, yeah, is putting his smell on me. Thank you very much. Good boy. Now I'm going to smell like you all day. Turn around. No, turn around. They like to climb high, as you can see. Buddy loves me. That's his love song. So they have really good sense of smell, and they have really good teeth. Can you open your mouth, Sonny? Can you see they've got teeth like a dog?
Yeah.
Big teeth in there. So when they do, when they get to some of the native fruits, they're a bit hard. That helps them open them up. But flying foxes are the main pollinators of native plants and